welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing RC truck obstacle course, and we're going to see who can go the fastest. We're going to be doing like time races. We're going to go one at a time. So Colson's going to be going first, and we're going to be doing like time. We're going to have like a stopwatch, and then that's basically what we're going to be doing.
Let's show the competitors.
First up, we have Colt with his red
Ram.
Dodge Ram. Let's see if we can go through our course. Oh, and will you explain our course for us?
This is the starting line. So we're gonna be, Colson's gonna have to go past this. This is the finish line. It's gonna go through this. We're gonna go over here. It's gonna go over the ramp, turn through here, and Hudson, put that mat back up. We're gonna put the mat up. They're gonna go over the ramps and
crash into it.
Crash into it. And then we're gonna go back through the finish line to here, and then we have to swerve through the cars like this, and then go take a turn, and then go, and then we're gonna go all the way back. Swerve back through the cars again, and then you'll finish after the blue lines.
Okay, let's get started.
Colson, you're...
Are you ready, Colson?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started, buddy. On your mark, get set, go!
Oh, go to the ramp. Okay.
We seem to be having a technical difficulty with our racetrack.
Go forward, all the way.
Yay, finish! Good job, Colson! Okay, next up we have Hudson. Are you ready to go, Hudson?
Uh-huh.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go!
Whoa!
What was this time? 47 seconds. Good job, Hudson.
I can beat that. Oh, where?
Okay, up next we have Owen. Do you think you're gonna beat Hudson's time?
Yep.
Okay, let's. On your marks, get set, go.
Go. Okay, let me do that. Go! Stop it!
38.6.
What?
Owen's time was 38.6 and beat Hudson about 9 seconds. Now Daddy's going to do a fun race, so let's see if Daddy's car can win and beat the kids. Okay, up next is Daddy with the air hog. Do you think you're going to beat the kids' time, Tim, and be able to go through all the obstacle courses with your tiny car?
Yes, most definitely.
Okay, on your marks. Hit set, go.
Okay, let's redo that.
Now let's check to see if Daddy beat his
Guess what? I
time.
stopped over there on the turn
Let me
for you
see.
too.
What is the time? 1 minute and .82.
I mean, I
Hudson,
stopped.
you beat me.
I stopped on the corner for him too. $30
Colson got 30 seconds. Awesome job, buddy. So Owen is the winner of our RC obstacle racetrack that the kids made. His time was 36 seconds. And then Hudson came in second with, I think, 47 seconds, right? And Daddy's was 1 minute, right?
Yeah.
And then Colson, as a person, got 30 seconds. Good job, Colson.
Yeah, and I win.
You beat everybody, man.
You won the people race. Good job, guys. Now let's do some freestyle stunts with Daddy on the slide.
Daddy, we're
Oh, he landed on his wheels. Freestyle.
Oh, that was nice. Oh, nice. Guess what? He gets air off of that. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching this video.
Come on.
Oh, there was a big crash back there. Let's go.